The BMW X1 stands as a remarkable creation by the renowned German automaker BMW, offering a compact yet luxurious crossover SUV experience. This model embodies BMW's captivating design language and innovative technologies, making it a perfect choice for both urban mobility and long journeys. The front design of the BMW X1 exudes an impressive and attention-grabbing style that reflects its distinctive characteristics. The iconic front grille proudly carries the brand's familiar and powerful signature. With its wide rectangular shape and unique dual-kidney design, the grille emphasizes the vehicle's individuality. Flanking the grille, the headlights showcase sharp lines and modern LED technology, imparting a dynamic character to the X1's front fascia. The headlamps are further accentuated by an array of LED light bars, ensuring high visibility and sophistication during nighttime drives. The lower section is punctuated by broad air intakes and fog lights that demand attention. These design elements not only enhance aerodynamic performance, but also lend the vehicle a sporty and aggressive appearance. The expansive air intakes contribute to engine and brake cooling, all while promoting a dynamic airflow. The motor hood, adorned with BMW's emblem, emphasizes the vehicle's uniqueness through its sharp lines. The lines extending along the hood's edges contribute to the X1's dynamic and energetic stance. Sharp lines atop the mirrors frame the vehicle's face, crafting a modern and sophisticated appearance. Black or chrome accents surrounding the windows complete the X1's design language. In a nutshell, the BMW X1's front design serves as a visual representation of the brand's dynamic and luxurious design attributes. The sharp lines, modern lighting technology, and distinct kidney grille design provide both the driver and onlookers with a visually pleasing experience during every journey. These design details position the BMW X1 as a distinctive choice in the realm of compact luxury crossover SUVs. The BMW X1's front LED lights, equipped with modern technologies, serve to complete the vehicle's design and ensure safe driving. Here's what you need to know about the front LED lights of the BMW X1. The front LED lights of the BMW X1 constitute a crucial part of the vehicle's exterior design. These LED lights offer brighter and more energy-efficient illumination compared to traditional halogen or xenon headlights. The flexibility of LED technology allows for sleeker and sharper lines in the headlights, contributing to a contemporary look at the front of the vehicle. The headlights often feature BMW's signature angel eyes, which are circular LED light rings. These rings serve to define the headlight design and lighting style. Especially during night driving, these LED rings give the BMW X1 a recognizable and impressive appearance. Certain models of the BMW X1 are equipped with adaptive LED headlight systems. These systems have the ability to automatically adjust light intensity and distribution by scanning the road and surroundings. This means that the headlights can adapt to oncoming vehicles or road turns, providing better visibility for the driver and minimizing glare for other drivers. Adaptive LED headlights can also incorporate a cornering function. This means that the headlights can swivel according to the angle of the steering wheel. As a result, enhanced lighting is achieved during turns, aiding the driver's vision around corners. In summary, the front LED lights of the BMW X1 are a significant component that offers modern design, high-quality illumination, and advanced safety features. These LED lights enhance both the vehicle's exterior aesthetics and driving safety, seamlessly integrating BMW's technological innovations and design aesthetics. The backside design of the BMW X1 showcases the dynamic and stylish attributes that define the compact luxury SUV segment. With flowing lines that seamlessly complement the front design, the rear design perfectly rounds off the vehicle's contemporary and sophisticated silhouette. The tail lights are outfitted with advanced LED technology. These luminous LED tail lights amplify both visibility and noticeability, whether it's daytime or nighttime. Sporting BMW's characteristic LED pattern, the taillight design adds a remarkable flair to the vehicle's nocturnal presence. This transforms the rear of the BMW X1 into a canvas of modern LED taillights, animated lines, and sumptuous details. The expansive and practical luggage compartment that suits both lengthy voyages and city jaunts is an attribute that truly sets the X1 apart in terms of functionality. The rear LED headlights of the BMW X1 are ingeniously crafted to inject a contemporary aesthetic and superior visibility to the vehicle's rear end. These LED headlights exude greater luminosity, energy efficiency, and design adaptability compared to traditional halogen or standard incandescent bulbs. Here's a closer look at the LED rear lights of the BMW X1. The rear LED headlights boast a sleek profile with sharp lines, lending the vehicle a sporty and chic demeanor. Enabled by the versatile LED technology, the headlight shape and design intricacies offer an even more distinctive expression. Powered by LED technology, the ability to radiate brighter and clearer light is elevated. This enhances rear visibility, allowing for improved recognition during nocturnal escapades or under low-light circumstances. It's a reassuring touch for fellow drivers and pedestrians alike. The characteristic L-shaped LED light signature that graces certain BMW models is a standout feature of these headlights. This signature confers instant recognizability to BMW vehicles, and the rear LED headlights draw attention to this visual signature, especially when the moon takes the helm. In select models, the prowess of adaptive LED technology extends to the taillights. This adaptive system fine-tunes the headlight brightness automatically during deceleration or acceleration, enhancing safety as a result. Illuminating the way with LED technology consumes less energy compared to traditional incandescent bulbs. The result? A prolonged battery life and a nod towards enhanced fuel efficiency. The rear LED headlights of the BMW X1 represent a pivotal design component that mirrors the brand's contemporary and opulent design ethos. Fusing eye-catching aesthetics with practical, high visibility and safety provisions, these LED headlights bestow the rear of the vehicle with an inimitable character. The rear window sports a wide and often gracefully curved design. This accentuates the vehicle's dynamic allure while concurrently fostering an atmosphere of enhanced luminosity and spaciousness within the cabin. Within the rear design, the tailgate usually proudly displays a prominent BMW emblem and model name. Surprisingly capacious and functional given its compact stature, the storage space beneath this lid is ready for action. The electrically operated tailgate ensures convenience is at your fingertips. The exhaust outlets are discreetly positioned beneath the rear bumper. Depending on the specific model and engine configuration, a single or dual exhaust outlet design might be in play. These exhaust stylings effectively echo the vehicle's potent and athletic personality. The rear bumper serves as the finishing touch to the overall vehicle design with its dynamic contours. Typically designed with an eye on improved aerodynamics, certain models may even incorporate diffuser-like elements. The intricate details within the rear design of the BMW X1 are a testament to the brand's ethos of luxury and sportiness. Elements such as chrome accents or glossy black trims add an extra layer of appeal to the vehicle's demeanor. Step into the interior of the BMW X1 and you'll be captivated by a blend of opulence and contemporary flair. Lavish materials, supple leather upholstery, and tasteful hints of metal or wood accents in every nook and cranny conspire to weave an atmosphere of sheer luxury and refinement. Designed with an unwavering focus on the driver, the cockpit of the BMW X1 beckons you to take control. Thoughtfully arranged for effortless accessibility, both the driver's seat and steering wheel are perfectly positioned for seamless operation. Commanding the center stage is a substantial touchscreen, the beating heart of the infotainment system. Here, you'll command navigation, media playback, vehicle settings, and a plethora of functions with an engaging finesse. But that's not all. Most models generously offer a range of control options, from steering wheel buttons to responsive voice commands. For certain variants, a digital instrument cluster graces the scene. Elevating the driving experience, this digital marvel showcases essential information like speed, fuel levels, and more in a sleek digital format. Tailoring your journey, you can personalize the information displayed on this digital canvas according to your preferences. The interior of the BMW X1 redefines comfort and ergonomics. Settle into plush seats, embrace the spacious cabin, and find your perfect driving posture with an adjustable driver's seat, ensuring even long voyages are a delight. The art of organized living is epitomized in the thoughtful storage solutions throughout the interior. From dedicated eyeglass compartments to accommodating cup holders and door pockets, everything finds its designated spot. Seamlessly connecting with modern life, the BMW X1 frequently boasts tech wonders like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. These smart features blend your smartphone into the driving experience, commanding media and navigation effortlessly from the vehicle's display. Despite its compact footprint, the interior of the BMW X1 opens up with a sense of space. And with the rear seats conveniently foldable, this compact SUV can flex its muscles by expanding its luggage area to accommodate all your adventures. The interior is adorned with lavish touches, elegant leather trims, ambient lighting, gleaming chrome accents, and meticulously crafted stitching, all thoughtfully curated to echo BMW's signature luxury identity. In summation, the interior of the BMW X1 epitomizes luxury, modernity, practicality, and driver-centric design. Each element converges to craft a driving environment where comfort, convenience, and style coalesce, promising an unmatched journey for both driver and passengers. Embrace the BMW X1, a ride that typically embraces the realm of automatic transmission options. These automatic wonders are purpose-built to hand the driver a symphony of comfort and effortless control, delivering a driving experience that's as smooth as it is invigorating. Whether navigating through bustling city streets or embarking on a grand journey, these transmissions make gear shifting a breeze. The heartbeat of most BMW X1 models resonates with 7 or 8 speed Steptronic automatic transmissions. Crafted to elevate both efficiency and exhilaration, these transmissions ensure a seamless transition between gears while enhancing fuel efficiency. Discover an orchestra of petrol and diesel engine options awaiting under the hood of the BMW X1. The array of choices is influenced by factors like power delivery, torque, and fuel economy. Moreover, the synergy of BMW's efficient dynamics technologies, seamlessly intertwined with these engines, aims to magnify fuel efficiency and diminish emissions. Typically, BMW X1 models flaunt 3 or 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol engines. These powerhouses exhibit an array of power outputs, resulting in a dynamic driving escapade that's distinctly characterized by their robust torque delivery, especially at lower RPMs. Not to be outdone, diesel engines also earn their rightful place in the BMW X1 lineup. With their prowess in torques production and frugal fuel consumption, they emerge as prime contenders for extended journeys. BMW X1 models champion eco-friendly measures to amplify fuel efficiency and shrink carbon footprints. This ecologically driven ethos resonates throughout the vehicle, as engine and transmission options are meticulously optimized to leave a lighter environmental footprint. Tailoring the experience. The engine and transmission tapestry of the BMW X1 comes woven with flexibility, catering to the myriad preferences and demands of diverse drivers. Whether it's the quest for different power thresholds or a quest for economical fuel consumption, these options promise a perfect fit. Options unleashed. The BMW X1 delivers a banquet of choices in engines and transmissions, furnishing drivers with a spectrum of performance and fuel efficiency possibilities. This symphony of choices ensures that drivers can curate the ultimate driving symphony, aligning their needs with their desires in a harmonious crescendo.